Ever feel like Christmas for your business is a race you're never ready for? You see these picture-perfect brands with stunning videos, flawless social feeds, and launches that print money, while you're stuck battling blank canvas screens, a dozen different expensive AI app subscriptions, and that sinking feeling you're falling behind before December even starts. You want to create content that stops the scroll. You want automated systems that bring in sales while you sip eggnog. You want to leverage AI, but it's either too complicated or costs a fortune. The dream is a profitable, peaceful holiday season. The reality? Often a chaotic, expensive, tech-heavy scramble. What if you could solve both problems, your holiday marketing and your entire tech stack, with one single, unbelievable decision? Today, that decision is here. This isn't just another bundle. This is the 2025 Christmas Suite, a historic fusion of two powerhouse offers. It's your entire holiday content department merged with the 8 hottest-selling AI apps of the year, all brought together for less than the price of a fancy coffee. Imagine having every graphic, video template, and marketing plan for Christmas ready to go, plus the same cutting-edge AI technology that big agencies use to create viral content, build self-updating websites, and automate entire businesses. That's what this is. This is the ultimate shortcut to not just competing this holiday season, but dominating it. Let's break down the first massive part of this suite, the holiday marketing powerhouse. This is your done-for-you Christmas command center. Inside, you get the 4K video asset vault, over 500 professional clips, snow, fireplaces, animations, to make any video feel like a Hallmark movie. The social media toolkit, drag-and-drop Canva templates for every platform, with captions and strategy included. The Print and Profit Suite, designs for lead magnets, ebook covers, flyers, everything to sell and promote. The Animated Graphics Pack, logo intros, motion graphics. No advanced skills needed. The Music and SFX Library, royalty-free festive audio. But it goes deeper with the done-for-you system. A 30-day content calendar from December 1st. Pre-written email sequences to drive sales on autopilot. Launch campaign blueprints for any holiday offer. And you get full commercial freedom. Use it for yourself or for clients. This alone is a game changer for freelancers and agencies. But what if you had the technology to create assets like these for any season, for any client, in minutes? That's where part 2 changes everything. This is the unprecedented part that we're bundling the 8 most in-demand, premium AI apps right now. Each one normally costs $97 to $99 per month. Forever. Today, they're part of your Christmas suite. Let's look at what you're getting. 1. Hybrid AI, the world's first AI that creates viral human plus animal hybrid videos. Think talking dog delivering a Christmas message. Unbelievable engagement in 3 clicks. Value, $99 per month. 2. Amazon Auto Sites, powered by Amazon's own Rufus AI. Give it a keyword, and it builds you a stunning, done-for-you Amazon affiliate site loaded with 350 million products. In any language. Value, $97 per month. 3. Imagio AI. This combines 15 premium design tools into one. Generate images, remove backgrounds, enhance photos, create professional visuals, all in one dashboard. No more juggling subscriptions. Value, $97 per month. 4. AI Funnels, a 2025 breakthrough. Turn a simple keyword or voice command into a complete, high-converting sales funnel, website, or blog in under 60 seconds. Value, $99 per month. 5. Deal Sites, the secret click-and-publish system. Creates self-updating Amazon and eBay affiliate deal sites that are built to rank on Google. Pure affiliate automation. Value, $99 per month. 5. Deal Sites, the secret click-and-publish system. Creates self-updating Amazon and eBay affiliate deal sites that are built to rank on Google. Pure affiliate automation. Value, $99 per month. 6. WP AI Engine. This is a monster for WordPress users. An all-in-one app to send unlimited emails, create 100,000 SEO-optimized blogs, and build 50,000 plus funnels and sales pages. At a one-time price. Value, $99 per month. 7. Easy eBook Creator. Generate up to 50,000 unique, fully functional ebooks for any niche or offer. 0 writing needed. Perfect for lead magnets or selling. Value: $99 per month. 8. WP AI Hub. Transform your WordPress into an AI powerhouse. Get access to over 200 must-have AI apps for content, marketing, analytics, all from a single dashboard. Value: $99 per month. Individually, these 8 apps would cost you over $792 every single month. That's the reality for serious online businesses right now.
Now let's talk about the Christmas miracle part. You are getting the complete holiday marketing powerhouse with all its templates, assets, and systems, plus lifetime access to all 8 of these premium AI apps. The regular price for the marketing suite is a one-time $97. The regular price for the 8 apps is $792 per month. Today, for this Christmas suite, you are not paying $97 plus $792 per month. You're not even paying $500, or $200, or $50. Right now, your total investment for everything, the entire Christmas suite, is a one-time payment of just $14. Let me say that again. Less than the price of a movie ticket or a pizza, you get a $97 marketing bundle and $792 per month worth of AI software. This is a pricing error that's not an error. It's a Christmas offer designed to get these tools into as many hands as possible. Combine these two forces and what can you do? Let's paint a picture. Use AI funnels to build a holiday gift guide website in 60 seconds. Populate it with products using Amazon auto sites. Create stunning graphics for it with Imagio AI. Promote it using the done-for-you social templates and email sequences from the marketing powerhouse. Create a viral trailer for it using hybrid AI, and build an automated ebook lead magnet with Easy eBook Creator. You've just launched a complete automated professional Christmas business in an afternoon. For a freelancer, you can now offer insane value to clients. For a business owner, you've built your marketing engine for this year and every year after. This suite is perfect for content creators who want to go viral, affiliate marketers who want automated sites, small business owners who need a full holiday plan plus tech, freelancers and agencies who want to deliver 10 times more value to clients, beginners who want the best tools to start right, experts who want to slash their software costs. If you're afraid this is too good to be true, we remove all risk. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try the entire suite. Build a funnel, create a viral video, use the templates. If you're not absolutely convinced it's the best deal you've ever seen, email us for a full, no questions asked refund. Bonuses. And if you act now, you'll also get my exclusive bonuses, the Holiday Hype webinar, template pack, and my personal Holiday Profits Masterclass. Here is exactly what to do next. Step 1. Click the link that appears right below this video. It says, Get the 2025 Christmas Suite for $14. Step 2. You'll land on a secure checkout page. Confirm your one-time payment of get $14. Not $14 per month, $14 once. Step 3. Get instant access. You'll receive login details to your private dashboard containing the entire marketing bundle and immediate access to all 8 AI apps. The link is live right now. This price is a Christmas special. It will not last. The sheer cost of providing these 8 apps means this offer will be taken down soon, potentially within hours. This is more than a bundle. It's a turning point. It's your chance to arm yourself with the same tools the top 1% of creators and marketers use for less than the cost of forgetting one subscription. Don't let another Christmas pass where you're the one struggling with tech and templates. Be the one who leveraged this historic offer. Be the one with the viral content, the automated systems, and the peaceful, profitable holiday season. Click the link now. Get your 2025 Christmas Suite for $14. And let's build your best December ever. Subscribe my YouTube channel and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the inside.